Aircraft flares are extreme heat discharges that are hotter than the exhaust of aircraft engines and are intended as a decoy countermeasure to draw heat-seeking missiles away from a targeted aircraft. The country's fighter jets are also equipped with flares, but will never be used against foreign aircrafts in accordance with international law. Our Patrick De Jesus on Chinese's dangerous application of flares to shun or scare Philippine aircrafts hovering on or patrolling its own airspace, as our Patrick De Jesus reports.
In photo shared by AFP Chief of Staff General Romeo Browner Jr. to PTV News, he personally boarded and co-piloted one of the FA-50 fighter jets of the Philippine Air Force. During a maritime air patrol over several areas of the West Philippine Sea last Friday. During this mission, the use of flares by PAF fighter jets was also tested. However, Browner emphasized the Philippines will continue to adhere to international law. It's worth noting, China initially launched flares at several Philippine aircraft during maritime patrols over Bajo de Masinloc. Flares were also observed being launched from China's illegally reclaimed island at Samora Reef during a maritime domain awareness flight conducted by the BFAR and PCG.
So we have that capability, but then again, because we follow international laws, hindi natin ginagawa yon sa iba. Nauna sila, nauna yung insidente nila. Tayo, tinesting natin.
According to Browner, who is an Army aviator, China's use of flares can be considered an act of escalation, which puts the country's aircraft at risk.
It is an escalation, no? Definitely. Pero hindi lamang sa atin ginagawa yon. Pati sa US ginagawa nila, pati sa Australia ginagawa ng China yung pag-release ng flares, no? This is a form of warning the other side. But again, for us, no? For us, it is a dangerous maneuver. Kasi pag yung flares tumama sa atin, that's very dangerous.
Amidst the various incidents that have led to rising tensions in the West Philippine Sea, the Philippines is focused on preventing any form of armed conflict.
Let us deter an armed attack. That is the more important thing, and that is what I'm focused on doing. Everybody's too focused on armed attack. Let's make ourselves strong enough so that does not happen.
Patrick De Jesus from the National TV for a new and better Philippines.